Hi everyone, I'm Rosemary and welcome to part 3 of my Christmas 2020 gift series, 30 Dollar Tree gift baskets and sets for her. Or really, anyone who likes spa and beauty products, candles, art, crafting, journaling, baking, phones, puzzles, and wine. I had a blast putting these things together, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Like I did in part 1 of this series, I'd like to just use some of these stuffed animals to pair with some other items to create some quick and easy gift sets. In the first video, I paired them with some cookies and candy and other yummy treats. And in this video, we're going to be pairing them with some beauty and spa products. So for the first one, I'm going to use this 3-pack of nail polish. And then I'm going to just have the little stuffed animal hold it. And I can use either some double-sided tape. Also, what is really good, and I'm really liking a lot, is this Gorilla mounting tape that could just be cut down into small pieces, or then you can just go old school and use some regular tape to tape the two together. And what do we have here? Yes, a singing snowman, similar to the Santa and Elf we saw in the first video. He makes a great combo with this little Suave hand lotion, great color combination. And then our little puppy dog here holds on to this wonderfully color coordinated fizzing bath bomb. And then this little guy is a great shape to hold this coffee body scrub. And now moving on to our more sophisticated sequins pillow options. I found some great combos for those. So for the stocking, I have this 3 facial mask pack in red and silver. And then the star, I found this facial mask and hair mask combo, again, color coordinating it to the star. And then for the tree, I have the bath bombs, and I did remove the retail packaging, as we've talked about in previous videos. And then I just tied them up with some coordinating ribbon, and you can see what a great gift that makes for just $2. Now, I just wanted to show you again what the little pillows look like with the candy option. These are from the first video in this series, and if you haven't seen it yet, you may want to check it out. There are more than 35 beautiful and budget-friendly food and drink gift basket ideas, sure to please everyone on your list. For the next gift set, I found this adorable unicorn trinket plate. Dollar Tree has all different types, and then also they had these little gift sets that have a bath salt as well as a bath bomb, and then just place those on the trinket plate, wrap it up with some cellophane, and you have a great little gift. And then for a little retro style, you can't beat these glitter garland booties. They are the ultimate in kitsch, and in addition to that, you can just add a few Dollar Tree items to create a great little gift set. Now, like in all my videos, I do like to either fold back or remove the retail packaging. I just feel it gives it a much more finished and professional look. And so I'll just then add the nail files to the back, add that nice red nail polish to the front, and there you have it, a great little gift. And then I'm just loving these little metal stands that they have at the Dollar Tree, and they have some great coordinating items like this lip balm and little mirror that can just be attached with some tape. And then there's the adorable little penguin with his pink and blue scarf that matches perfectly with those moisturizing gloves and this Dove moisturizing cream. And then if you wanted to add to it and make it a little bit of a bigger gift, you could also add this coconut oil hair mask. It comes in that nice blue color that coordinates as well with the scarf. And then again, just add that dove to the front. You can do the same with the little reindeer or moose. I'm not sure what he is, but anyway, you can just add that to the back and then the little mirror to the front again. And it just makes it a bigger gift. And now moving on to the next gift, I found this great candle making set at the Dollar Tree. It comes with everything you need, the wax, the scents, the glass, the wick, everything comes in that one little box. And then it comes in multiple different scents. And so I just selected 3 of the scents, and then using some double-sided tape, I attached them all together and then just took a pretty ribbon and tied a bow. And there you have it, a great little 3-piece set. Now, if you prefer your candle products already made, here's another great option. So Dollar Tree has these beautiful boxes this year, and this one is a nice and deep one, so it fits this fragrance warmer really well. And then also a couple of the wax melts from the Dollar Tree as well. And there you have all together a great little gift. Next up, how about a selection of puzzles and word hunt type books? And you can use a food storage bin for the container. All you need to do is place the lid face up and put your books and puzzles on top. And if they're color coordinated, all the better. You can use a little tape to hold everything together and then put the bin on top and secure into place. And now all you need to do is add a bow and you're all set. And then the recipient can use the bin for storage. Dollar Tree also has a deeper bin in the same size if you wanted to add some more books and puzzles. And now here's another one of those sequence pillows, but this time I'm going to use the flip side. And then I also found these aromatherapy type before bed shower gel and body lotions. And I'm also going to just place those on top. And then also they had this do not disturb eye cover, which just goes perfectly. And it all comes together to make the perfect gift. I just love when Dollar Tree gets name brand items like these Peds no-show socks. They're a great quality and usually cost around $4 or $5 in other stores. They also have their own brand in this nude color, and so I thought just putting them in this little pouch would make a great gift. So I did want to remove, of course, the retail packaging, and I just opened up the package and popped out that little hanger there, and then put everything back together, and it was good to go. And then I just added some tissue paper to the bottom of the little pouch, and then just placed the 3 packs of no-show socks inside. And now it's time to get a little fancy with one of these Dollar Tree silver trays. And I also found these wonderful collagen masks, as well as this eye serum and a little eye roller massager. And all come, of course, color coordinated in that beautiful pink. And then I just added a little shred, removed some of that retail packaging again, and then just placed the items right on top of the tray, and they all fit perfectly. You can tape them together, of course, and then wrap with some of the cellophane wrap, add a bow, and it's a beautiful high-end looking gift. And if you would like some tips on gift basket wrapping, as well as some more information on all the things like retail packaging and color coordination that I keep referring to, you definitely want to check out this video, which I will link here and in the description box. But as an alternate to gift basket wrapping, I'm again really loving these little boxes from the Dollar Tree. This one here is nice and thin, and all you need to do is add a little shred and a few components, and then just kind of tape them down and in place, close the lid, and you are good to go. Now here's a great option for the art lover on your list, or really anyone who's looking for a nice relaxing activity. Dollar Tree has these adult coloring books in a variety of different themes, and they also sell these colored pencils, and I'm just going to use some double-sided tape to attach those to the front of the books. Dollar Tree also sells these pencil cases, and I'm going to use this as the container for this gift. I'll simply just open the container and tape the 2 sides to hold it in place, then put the books and pencils into the container. Maybe you have an electronics or phone lover on your list, and if so, these phone accessories from the Dollar Tree would make a great gift. I again made it a point to select items that were packaged the same, and then again removed any retail packaging from the tops of the containers, being careful not to open the package and also to cut around any letters or imaging. And then I just placed all of the items into this little bin from the Dollar Tree. These are the ones that come at 3 to $1. And just arrange them in place, and there you have it, a cute little phone accessory gift for about $5. Another $5 option would be this bath set with some bath salts, bath bombs, a hair wrap, and I'm going to place those in another Dollar Tree storage container. This time it's the little square one. I'll also add a little bath sponge and some sheet masks, and there you have a cute little $5 gift. And then for about $6, you can make this little mani-pedi set using one of these acrylic organizers from the Dollar Tree, and then some of these 3 packs of nail polishes. Now they do only go along the outside they only fit on the outside of the organizer, which is fine because we're going to use the middle section for some of these other components from this pedicure set. They can go in the middle and along the top, and then also this square nail file that can go there along the side. And then also there is another little set there at the bottom that has some of the cuticle scissors and other cuticle tools that could also go in that middle section, and they can all come together to create a great little mani-pedi gift. And then next, I am just loving this adorable little bath and candle set. I'm again going to use one of the Dollar Tree cardboard boxes. This time I'm going to tape the lid to the back, and then I'm going to use the shower gel and lotion in that cranberry scent. And then I also found this cranberry scented candle, and that will just get placed in the front. And then I'm going to put 2 of these vanilla bath bombs to either side of the candle. And there you have it, a great high-end looking set. Speaking of high-end, how about this facial set in a glass vase? So all I'm going to do is take some of these coordinated components and just place them inside. I have a facial mask, a facial mist, and also a facial jelly. And now if I wanted to, you're good to go with just that and maybe adding a little tissue paper to the middle to hold everything in place. But if you wanted to expand the gift, if you're, wanted to go a little bit more components inside, you could also add this facial brush and facial roller to the middle. But I just wanted to give you those options in case you were on a budget and you wanted to keep the cost as low as possible, to just add some tissue paper there to the middle. And then I just took one of these, this actually came from Walmart, but Dollar Tree also sells these different flowers and different things you could use here in the middle. And I just added the poinsettias there to the middle, and it creates a great, different little gift. Keeping with our high-end look, I just love this embossed gold box from the Dollar Tree. And then I also found these great high-end looking makeup brushes. And so they had the foundation brush and also the eyeshadow brush, and they had the contour brush as well. And so what I did was, again, just remove that retail packaging there off the top, and then they fit perfectly into my box. And then I went back and found some foundation, and I'm going to just apply that with the double-sided tape. I took out the eyeshadow, added some double-sided tape, and added that to the eyeshadow brush. And then, of course, the contour brush, double-sided tape, and then just attach that there to the top as well. And then you kind of just can tape everything into place so that it stays nice and orderly in your box. Then just add the lid and add a little ornament to the top, and wowza, there is a high-end looking gift. Next up is something for the wine lover on your list. And so what I did was I started with one of these Dollar Tree gold baskets and filled it with some natural colored shred. And then I took one of these wine themed calendars and just kind of stuck it there to the back, and you can tape that in place if you want. You can add some wine here. I'm just going to use the sparkling cider from the Dollar Tree, as well as a couple of wine glasses, and then this adorable ring for wine bell. And then Dollar Tree also had a couple of wine stoppers. I'm going to just add that there to the front. Now, if you have margarita or beer or Bloody Mary lovers on your list, or some coffee and tea lovers as well, I have those in previous videos, and I will link those in the description box. Now, if you have someone who enjoys word puzzles as well as journaling and reading on your list, this next gift is a great option. So these items all came from the Dollar Tree. There's a little journal here, some bookmarks, and of course some word puzzle games, and then this great little pen set. And for the container, I used a Dollar Tree acrylic tray filled with some shred, and then I started with the word puzzle books on the bottom, and then the journal and the little notebook. And then in the middle were the bookmarks, and then over to the side were the pen set. And then again, just wrap it up with some cellophane and add a bow, and it's a beautiful gift. But maybe it's not journalers, but crafters that you have on your list. If so, how about a selection of craft supplies, like this sponge brush set, some craft sticks, also a little knife set, and then everyone always needs some glue sticks, and then also this great adhesive spray glue that Dollar Tree is now carrying. And then also one of the other glue options, like this little fabric glue there to the front. And then along the back, some of the wood dowels, or whatever combination of different craft items. They have so many that you choose from, and makes a great gift for any crafter on your list. But maybe it's not crafters, but bakers that you have on your list. And if so, this cake tote and cake baking kit would be a great option. So I just started with some cake mix there to the bottom, and then a couple containers of frosting on top of that. and then also some chocolate chunks there to the side, as well as some coconut flakes to the other side. And then we have a little space there on the side to squeeze in some rainbow sprinkles. And then all you need to do is replace the container top, secure down, and then add a bow, and you have yourself a beautiful gift. And then here we go again, back to bath items. I'm sorry, I'm jumping around a bit. I'm trying to go in cost order. That's why it's kind of disjointed. But anyway, what I did with this one is I used that beautiful tray I just love so much from the Dollar Tree, as well as this exfoliating washcloth, some bath bombs, some shower fizzers, then this little soap with a loofah inside, and then also an oatmeal and coconut soap bar as well. And then to arrange, I just took some shred and added it there to the bottom of the tray, and then added the shower fizzers and the soap on top, then the little washcloth and bath bombs, as well as the loofah soap in the middle, and there you have it, another high-end looking gift for just about $6. And then for the grand finale, there is the Ultimate Foot Fixer gift set, which starts with this basin in white, which will also be the container. And then to that, I'm going to add some of these pedicure flip-flops, as well as these adorable polka dot slippers. And then also a couple of the hand towels in white. And then some selection of different soaks, including these bath crumbles and bath bombs. And then some bath soak. And then also a pumice stone. And then some nice fuzzy socks. And some baby oil gel as well. To assemble, I just added some shred to the basin, and then I started in the back with the slippers that I separated, and then I just put the flip-flops, the pedicure flip-flops in the middle, and then I rolled up the two towels and put those in front of each of the slippers. Next, I began to add my little bath crumbles and bath bombs, and then the foot soak and the pumice stone to the middle. And then to the one side, I added the socks rolled up in the front. And then on the other side, I added the baby oil gel. Now, at this point, the cost comes in at about $10. But if you did want to add a couple more items, you can fill it in a little more. I added this hand cream and also this aches and pains tension relief, all again from the Dollar Tree. And so I just filled it in a little more, but brought the cost up a little bit more to about $12. Well, I hope you have enjoyed part 3 of my Christmas 2020 gift series. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give a big thumbs up, and please let me know in the comments which one of these was your favorite. If you'd like to check out the other videos in this series, please click on one of these video links here. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.